smokies in here. Ooh, handsome boy. Saving money on dishwasher. Yay! What a happy sombrero. He's 4 years old. And I'm too old to say. We'll make a cake?
Best friends king out cake.
Let's do it. Okay, we're making birthday cake, but dog-friendly birthday cake. Dog-friendly birthday cake.
Hello there.
For this guy. So he's turning 4. Are you 4? Yeah, handsome boy. Ready? Shall we make a cake for us? Because it's my birthday and yours. High five.
What you talking about, Willis?
4. Yay! Good boy, good boy. Right, shall we get started? So start off with a big bowl. And I've got a greased tin. This is 7-inch tin because we're going to be cooking in the air fryer today because we don't have an oven.
Say what?
Flax seeds that have been ground. We have chia seeds going in, and then we also have white rice flour. So 1 cup of that.
I'm watching.
These are all the dry ingredients. This goes in. Put some baking powder in, 2 to 3 teaspoons. I'm gonna do 2.5. These are the dry ingredients. Mix them well. Some people sift them. I don't really care about clumps.
This doesn't need sieving.
Pop that to the side. Let's do the wet ingredients. So I've got coconut oil. It's about a tablespoon. And we're gonna beat it. Right, we're just gonna beat this up for a minute just to get air in it. Got 1 egg. Just crack 1 egg in. And then I'll just beat that for a couple of seconds as well. And then I'm gonna add in the fruit. So I've got dates. So I used 4 Medjool dates. Medjool dates. I don't know what's wrong with me today. My words aren't coming out of my mouth.
Are you okay?
So what I've done is I've just chopped them up and then added 2 tablespoons of water and then just boiled it until it's become a bit of a paste. So I'm gonna add that in. And then I'm also gonna add 1 banana because I like bananas.
I like bananas.
So we're just mushing that in. I like it to have chunks of banana in, so I'm not gonna mush it too much. Right. Scrape down the edge. So that's a nice, like, slurry-like mix.
Delicious.
And then we're gonna do basic cake technique, okay? Wet, dry, wet, dry, wet, dry. So add it gradually and then mix it in. I'm just gonna do it by hand here. The mixture's supposed to be a little bit thicker than pancake batter. This is oat milk. Keep going like so. If you're not doing this for a dog and you're doing it for yourself, this is actually a very good recipe for a breakfast loaf. So you can actually cook this into a loaf tin and then just have it sliced and toasted for breakfast. It's really good. It's thickening up nicely. It smells so good. Can you smell it?
Can you smell it?
Smell-o-vision.
I can smell it.
I'll send it to you in the post. When you watch my next video, you'll get a smell. That's a good business idea. Come on, tell me I'm wrong.
You're fired.
Sign up to my Patreon and I'll send you the scent of the food that I'm cooking and you can smell it whilst you watch my videos.
It's called This Smells Like My Vagina.
Not on OnlyFans. So it's just a little bit thicker than a pancake batter. We're just gonna transfer it into the tin and then we're gonna cover it as well, and then we're gonna bake, check halfway, and then take the cover off and then bake it for the rest of the time. The perfect amount for this tin. So it should rise, and then we can pull it out with the paper. Dogs are going crazy for this cake recipe. Just gonna cover it. We're closing, we're gonna put on to bake, okay? So I would normally bake this for about 25 minutes, checking it, and then bake it for a little bit longer depending on how the skewer comes out. 180, 25 minutes. Now we wait let's go. Whilst we're waiting for that, we're gonna make a little icing for the cake. We're gonna do peanut butter and Greek yogurt. When you use peanut butter, you have to make sure that it's 100% peanuts, nothing else, because some peanut butters have additives and stabilizers in it, and you can't have xylitol in it, which is a sweetener, because it's so not good for them. 1 tablespoon. Whip this up a little bit and get a bit of air into it. Right. I'm gonna gradually add the Greek yogurt in until I get it to a consistency that I like it. Right. See, don't be disheartened. It might not look like what it is in the beginning, but if you keep on going, look, see, that looks like whipped ganache. And that's what we're gonna use to ice our cake for today. Right, clean up time. Done. You ready for your cake, Jasper? Right, woo, looks decent. Turn that off. So I started it off at 180. And then I realized that it's an air fryer, so I put the temperature down for a little bit. So I did it 160 for 40 minutes. And I think it's worked out quite well. Wow, it smells yummy. I think we let it cool down and then we'll do the icing. Sorry, crumb's gone down the wrong side. Hole. That's the wrong hole! Right, so this is cooled down now, so I'm gonna take this off, and then we can add the little icing, and then we can enjoy a little bit of a birthday celebration. Just follow the crack.
Excuse me?
Ooh, yeah. Turn around. 1. Ooh, yeah. Put some strawberries. Antioxidants. So let's get your party hat on. Are you ready for this mess? You ready for this mess? Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to us. Yay! Ready? Yum, yum. Go, 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 go. No, Miffy doesn't want it. Is it good, Alpha? Miffy, you don't want a cake? She wants it on the floor. You want it here? Alpha thinks it's good. You go. Strawberries. She's so gentle, just eating the cake. It's good.
You know when you go and buy those healthy breakfast biscuits?
It's a bit like that. It's like cakey. You can taste the little pops of chia seed, and then you have that creamy yogurt and peanut butter and the fresh fruit. It's delicious. Appa. Yummy. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Fighting over Miffy's cake now. Alpha, your cake is here. Are you eating Jasper's cake? No, you're not allowed to eat my cake. This is a great recipe for you to enjoy with you, your dogs, and your kids, because it's very healthy and it's guilt-free. So look at Alpha once more. Yummy. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Ding dong.